Alright, just doing a sound test on a new K&N intake system on my 2016 Silverado. Just quickly showing, just driving, putting around the parking lot. You can't really hear it. I'm sitting under 2,000 RPMs. I don't even notice it's there, which is nice. If you don't want to hear it, you don't have to hear it. I'm gonna jump out here onto a side street, give it a little bit. So you'll notice you can really hear this intake from about 1,750 RPMs till it seems to kind of drop off right about 3,000 RPMs. Seems to be the range in which you can really hear this thing. I'm going to get on the freeway here in a moment and give it a wide open throttle. Notice again, if you really don't get on it, you don't really hear it, which is nice. I mean, it's kind of there, but it's tolerable. If you got your mom in here or something, doesn't want to listen to your loud vehicle, you don't have to get going on it. You don't have to listen to her bitch and moan at you, at least in regards to your vehicle. So here we go. That run, I really gave it some gas. Seemed to actually be able to hear it pretty much through the entire stretch of RPMs there, all the way up to about 5,600, which is pretty cool. I haven't even done that yet. And again, you can hear it right now as I'm cruising a little over 2,000 RPM. Give it some more gas. So again, if you want to hear it, you can hear it. If you don't want to hear it, you don't have to. Just kind of cruising. Again, now I can't tell it's there at all. I'm sitting at about 2,000 RPM, doing about 80. Don't even notice it's there. Definitely an improvement in throttle response. I haven't tested enough to see any real miles per gallon increase, but I'm sure I'll get the average 1 to 2 like everybody else does, assuming I stay off the gas. But otherwise, really wakes this truck up. I love it. Next will be an exhaust system, but for now I'm definitely digging this intake, and if anything changes, I'll do an update. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed it, and good luck if you get this to install. Follow the instructions they give you. Take your time. Most of the pieces on the kit are plastic. They can break, and nothing is worse than working on your vehicle on a weekend and breaking a part that you can't get and your truck sits. So anyway, enjoy.